handsome man. Ay, for the past few days, sobrang busy, no? Hindi ako masyadong nakapag-video na ako, nung biwedang ako. Kahapon, sobrang busy namin. May mga kinuha kasi kami mga gamit. But so far, everything, good naman. God is good. Um, Naglinis lang kami kagabi after namin bumisita sa friend niya. Ano pa yung ginawa namin? Mag-recap na lang tayo kasi wala akong ganang mag-video kahapon ng isang araw pa lang kasi sobrang busy talaga namin. Tapos yung kaninang umaga, sinatap na namin yung fridge kasi binili ko talaga siya para hindi na kami magbabayan nito kasi binilhan niya naman ako ng machine. Wala lang talaga akong ice. Alam niyo yun? Plan namin mamaya, so far, assembled the bed frame. Ano pa ba? Basta yung room i-establish namin and nakapag-laundry rin kami kagabi. Sobrang sipag nitong aking partner. Oy, a very lucky person because James is really like hardworking when it comes to house stuff. Kasi right after we went home from his friend's house, he loads the laundry. I work on the fridge, clean the fridge. What else did he do? He put the bed frame to our room. I'm so lucky to have him, because I cannot do it alone, especially if it's big stuff. But yeah, we were so productive. I am very lucky. Nasa labas ulit kami kasi may bibilhin kami. Punta kami Pack and Save, Bunnings, tapos may pipick up kami ng gamit. Productive kami. 'Di ba umalis kami, may kinuha kami. Tapos, pagdating namin sa bahay, naghugas ako ng mga kailangan. Tapos siya nagload ng laundry again, yung mga towels. Tapos, kinuha ko yung mga tuyo na, nilagay ko sa loob. Tapos, yung towels, hinay-hay namin kasi maganda yung araw. Hindi namin kailangan mag-dryer. Patipid sa kuryente. Naset up namin yung bed, pero kailangan namin i-secure yung parang head part. Kaya kailangan namin pumunta ng Bunnings para bumili ng hammer, tapos tape measure. Meron naman siyang screw, so yun lang. Sa Pack and Save, kailangan na namin mag-grocery kasi para hindi na kami labas ng labas kakain. Alam mo yun? Wala kaming And yeah, kailangan namin tapusin to kasi may bisita kami this coming Friday. Magluluto ako ng adobo that day para matikman nila yung Filipino food. Akala mo naman talaga sobrang galing magluto. But yeah, punta na kami, palobat ako, kailangan ko siyang i-charge. Hopefully makapag-video tayo sa loob ng Bunnings and Pack and Save. Let's see if hindi ito magbubuang ang phone ko kasi palobat na siya 1%. Kaya, keep it up.
We're just at Bunnings at the moment. So we'll probably be back about quarter past.
And veggies. We are criminal because we walked to the stone. Some oranges. So, punta kami Asian store. May nahanap kami.
In we go. Hello. Hot and spicy onion rings. Have you had those?
No.
You want to try it?
Yeah. You can try. You have spicy pa? It's $3. Oh, what is this?
I don't know. You want to try that?
Yeah.
Yeah, try it.
How much is it?
Probably about the same.
walang rice. Ano siya, maliit lang siya na Asian store. Pero may nahanap tayong spicy na snacks, which is good. And I hope ma-set up na yung TV kasi makakapanood na kami. We are at Pack and Save right now. Pero hindi ako magpo-fully video kasi nakakatamad. Grocery lang naman. And marami nang ganap for today's video kaya nakakapagod na. Oh my God, tignan mo. 99 cents na lang, oh. Do you want to get some, bebe? 99. But they don't have the almond one. Gusto ko kasi yung almond one. Yeah.
Coffee.
Oh,
200 grams. 8.99.
update lang namin kayo. Kasi ayoko mag-video fully. Marami nang ganap for today's video. Mahirapan ako mag-edit. Pero nandito kami sa Pack and Save. Yan. See you later.